Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news. Commodity prices are falling away across the board, along with crypto, as the risk-off mood builds in financial markets. First up today, there will be a lot of interest in tomorrow's Wall Street Open. It ended Friday's session with the S&P 500 down 2% and no signs of a recovery late in the session. The Nasdaq fell 2.7% on the day. Risk-off sentiment is strong, with major investors selling, seeing this as a time to hold cash. The core reason Wall Street is risk-off is that American consumers are increasingly anxious about their jobs and the inflation pressures ahead. And both of those worries are over what higher tariffs will do to them. Town hall meetings across the country are giving the message to Congresspeople that they aren't too happy about the self-serving government by billionaires either. The final University of Michigan March sentiment survey was revised lower from its already low flash result. Consumers are in full defensive mode, expecting inflation to jump and job security to worsen. Wall Street can't ignore these signals. And it isn't any better in Canada, where their monthly GDP indicator for February revealed no net expansion, following a positive January expansion. Commodity prices are under pressure. Worth noting is the price of copper. It is very high at present, but lower economic activity in both the US and China could bring about a collapse. It would not be the only commodity to suffer. We should also note that in this current risk-off phase, the US dollar has not risen. This is very unusual and may portend a diminished role for the greenback in the global economy. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now just on 4.25%, unchanged from Saturday, and the price of gold will start today at just on $3,085 an ounce, up another net $5 from Saturday. Although off its all-time high at the moment, gold keeps challenging these levels. Oil prices little change from Saturday at just under $69.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is now just over $73.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is now at 57.2 US cents, unchanged from Saturday. Against the Aussie, we're also unchanged at 90.9 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're also unchanged as well at just under 53 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today still just under 66.7. You get more news about the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.